If you're looking to upgrade or replace the lower section converter in your RV power center, the Intelli-Power 4600 series converter is worth a close look. Designed to fit Magnetek, Parallax, and WFCO power centers, this converter offers a near-universal solution for reliable 12-volt power. It's built with quality and performance in mind, making it a smart choice for RV owners who demand consistency on the road. What sets the Intelli-Power 4600 apart is its American-made craftsmanship paired with multi-patented technology. One standout feature is the built-in Charge Wizard, which optimizes battery charging to extend battery life and improve efficiency. This means you get dependable power without the guesswork or frequent maintenance hassles. The converter measures 13.375 inches wide, 8.125 inches deep, and 5.875 inches high, weighing just over 4 kilograms. Its compact size makes it an easy fit inside your existing power center setup, while the 35 amp capacity ensures it can handle the electrical demands of most RV systems without breaking a sweat. Installation is straightforward thanks to clear instructions that come with the unit. Many users have praised how simple it is to swap out their old converters for this model, even if they don't have advanced technical skills. Plus, the 2-year warranty adds peace of mind, showing the company's confidence in their product's durability and performance. This converter is not just a replacement, it's an upgrade that can improve your RV's electrical reliability. Whether you're on the road for a weekend or a long-term trip, having a converter you can trust makes all the difference in powering your appliances, lights, and devices smoothly. If you've read reviews on other brands, you'll notice the Intelli-Power 4600 consistently earns positive feedback. Customers highlight its reliability, ease of installation, and the noticeable improvement in power stability. That kind of reputation matters when you depend on your RV's power system daily. Choosing the Intelli-Power 4600 series converter means investing in a product that combines proven technology with user-friendly design. It's a practical upgrade that keeps your RV running efficiently, protects your batteries, and simplifies your power management. If that's you, someone who values dependable power and hassle-free installation, this converter is worth considering. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference it makes in your RV's electrical system.